Hello student, our last chapter is marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is an activity undertaken by the company to promote buying and selling of a product or service. Marketing is a process which involves researching, promoting, selling and distributing of products and services. That means marketing is present in all the stages of business from beginning till end. So now the question is why marketing is required? Because it is difficult to survive on the basis of past performance in the product market. For example, you have developed a new hair oil for the customer and you want to sell it. And suppose anyhow without doing any research on customer or market, you were able to sell your product in the market in starting, but as the time passes, demand for it will decrease because you have not done any research on customer preferences, their choices, you have not conducted any survey about their shopping habits, you have not changed your advertisement from starting, and there is no innovation in your product. So what will happen? You will suffer loss and your sale will come down, your profit will come down. So all this is happening because something is missing, and that is marketing. Marketing spans the entire process of delivering a product or service to a customer, from choosing which products to sell and where to sell them and how to price and promote them. Need for marketing arises because there is increased in the production and lower demand of goods and services over the years. Now, every organization wants to increase their market share by presenting themselves in a different way from their competitor. They are doing something innovative to attract customer. So marketing is important where the competition is very high. Marketing provide a competitive edge to business. It helps to gain loyalty customers through implementing good marketing plan. Convincing somebody to do something or not to do something is a part of marketing. Meaning and definition of marketing. Marketing is key function of modern management, and we are exposed to marketing of product and services and ideas almost every day. Every day we see so many advertisement on TV or on YouTube or social media, and sometimes we see such advertisement which are very innovative, which create impression in our mind. Marketing has different meaning based on audience, media platform and business in changing market. For example, young people are more attracted when celebrity is endorsing any product, or old people they prefer product which has natural ingredients if it is mentioned. Rich people they prefer luxurious goods, branded goods. Definition of marketing. According to Philip Kotler, marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging product and services of value with others. That means marketing is a social process. It is connected with people, whether it is individual or a group of people. Marketing means fulfilling the needs of the customer through creating product and offering them and freely exchanging the product and services for the value, that means for the price. So in order to create and promote customer demand and to direct the flow of goods and services from the original producer to the final consumer. According to World Marketing Association, marketing is the core business philosophy which directs the process of identifying and fulfilling the needs of individual and organization through exchanges which create superior value for all the parties. That means marketing is the basic core, means basic business philosophy on which business is set up. Business is basically set up to sell the product. This is their basic philosophy, and it direct the process of identifying to find out what the customer need and fulfill the needs of the customer through exchange. Exchanging what? Business is giving goods and services to the customer, and in return they are getting profit. So through exchanges which create superior value for all the parties, that means for the customer superior value is goods, and for the business they want to earn profit, that is their superior value. So concept of market. The term market is derived from the Latin word marketus, which means to trade merchandise, or a place where business is transacted. In the simple word, market is a place where two or more parties are involved in buying and selling. Those two parties are called as buyer and seller. So the transaction of buying and selling take place with the exchange of money. It is called as market. So there are many concepts associated with the word market, and according to the concept, different definition of the term market are given below. First is place concept of market. So whenever we think about the market, we think about place. It may be our local area where we go for shopping, or some other place like shopping malls, etc. So what is place concept? It is the place where buyer and seller and other intermediaries come together and exchange goods or services. In the olden days, the place played an important role in defining market. Still, not only in olden days, now also we go to our local market for shopping. But now, since in the age of information and technology, lot has changed, and now we are doing online shopping also. So online e-commerce is also a place where we do our shopping. That this concept marketing has wider meaning than just a place. Second, commodity concept of market. In this concept, the process of buying and selling of goods and services is important and not the place of exchange. In place concept, we saw that place is where transaction is done between buyer and seller, but in commodity concept, more stress is given on commodity which is exchanged, not the place where the transaction is done. So in this process, buyer and seller as well as the commodity exchanged among them play important role. Third, exchange concept of market. So exchange concept of market give emphasis on exchange of goods and services between buyer and seller with free consent as well as mutual trust. So in the previous two concept, we saw that place is considered as a market, then commodity. Now even place is there and commodity is there, but unless and until there will be exchange of goods and services, that won't be called as market. This exchange is with free consent, it is not enforced. Exchange should be voluntary between buyer and seller. That means there should not be any fraud or misinterpretation or coercion. That means practice of persuading someone or to do something by using force or threats. Fourth, area concept of market. This concept is related to exchange concept, and here emphasis is given on free association between buyer and seller to fix the price. That means price is fixed after negotiation, and this fixed price implies to certain area only. In this concept, it is not necessary for buyer and seller to meet in person. That means prices can be fixed between buyer and seller, and for fixing the price, buyer and seller can regularly take the help of different modern communication media and exchange goods or services. For example, many times we order goods on WhatsApp or on Amazon or Mind on e-commerce website. Fifth, demand or customer concept of market. That means product is provided according to the demand of the customer, since customer is treated as the king of the market. So this type of market where emphasis is given on supplying the goods and services to customer on their demand according to the need of the customer. To understand this more clearly, actually olden days there was selling concept. That means businessman used to sell whatever they produce, they used to sell. Their demand of the customer was not considered at that time. This was the concept that whatever businessman is producing, customer is going to purchase that. That was called as selling concept. But demand concept is opposite of that, where goods are provided to customer according to their needs. Nowadays we see that so many products are customized according to the need of the customer. So that is actually what demand concept of market, where the product is supplied to customer according to their requirement. And sixth is space or digital concept of market, which is the latest concept in market. Emergence of information technology gave birth to new concept of a market called as space or digital concept. If you see few years back, there was no such thing like online platform for selling goods. Amazon, Flipkart were not there. Social media was not promoting as such any kind of goods and services. But now this has come, new concept has come. New and sophisticated e-commerce portals and mobile applications make the buying and selling easy and convenient for buyers as well as for seller. The communication media like telephone, mobile, computer, internet, etc. have made direct contact between customer and seller. It is easy for customer to know about the quality, features, price, terms and conditions of any product of any company. If we buy online, for example, if I buy anything from Amazon, I can check product quality, prices, I can read description, even I can compare it with other similar product. I can see the reviews of the customers who have purchased that product. Because of this modern technology, the marketing concept has changed, and now it has become more and more convenient for the customer to buy products.